Hello, my name is Chengsong Yao from Toyo University, Japan. Thank you for watching my 3-minute video. Have you ever experienced your headwork, like tightening bolts or pick something from high place? In this posture, not only your arms, but also your neck feels pain. This is a serious problem for many workers in various industries. My device is trying to solve this. I designed this wearable neck support device. It helps reduce neck fatigue during overhead work. This device uses a double rocker mechanism combined with an electromagnetic brake. Based on sensor information, this device automatically estimates user's posture and switches the brake without any buttons or switches. When user looks up, this device locks to support the head, and when the support is not needed, this device releases and follow user's natural movement. Next, let me show you how it works. First, for free motion, like this. As you can see, this device is always following my head movement and doesn't block any my natural movement. For a low angle condition like this, the device is supporting my head. For a high angle condition like this, as you can see, this device also can support my head and reduce the burden on my neck. As you can see, my device can actively support the head at any angles without any switches. In my paper, I showed the system's usefulness through the experiment, and in the future, I hope this device can help more workers. ISIE2025 is a great opportunity for me to share and communicate with other researchers around the world. I really hope to join with your support. I also sincerely appreciate IEEE SYPA and Professor Yokota for their generous support. Thank you very much for your kind attention.